Hello, guys. How you doing? We're gonna go slowly today. As you know, we are sponsored by Vantage FX and PU Prime. Okay, those are our brokers. If you want to sign up with our brokers, click the link below or ask for more info about how to do it, and we can help you with that. As you know, we analyze gold and we also offer view in US30. All right. So I just want to announce something. So the way that I'm gonna be doing the analysis from now on is this way. So we're gonna start from the beginners. So a view for beginners, and then we're gonna go into depth analysis for people that is a little bit more advanced. Okay, because I got the feedback from you guys, and sometimes I know that people that is starting like to see things more simple because these old chart things and everything can be a bit confusing, especially if you are new into trading. But don't be scared. This is just about getting used to it, understanding some concepts, and then, yeah, we're gonna go for it and show you exactly at the beginning of every video. We're gonna go from the simple and then we're gonna go basically to the advanced part and we move forward from there. Okay, so what we're gonna do now is just gonna give an idea straight away, and a simple idea based in zones and based in price action, and based on that we can basically then determine an entry for the people that like to see things very simple and straight. So for me, this is basically today's price. As you can see, it's not really moving. Sorry, I just have activated a tool that it was creating like magic or something like that. So this is the price, guys, where it's located right now. So this is today floor. Okay, that's the floor today. So our floor, sorry, I'm just gonna change the color to black, and then we can try to see. Okay, so one moment. Let's choose the tool. Let's click it, and then let's choose the color. Okay, so today's floor, very simple. Okay, the tool is not, this tool is not working as I expected, but that's fine. So let's just get it out of the way. Sorry guys about that. Anyways, so we have the floor, and let's type it down as normal. So our floor today was 2,650.06. That's our floor today. Okay, and then we have our ceiling of the day. Ceiling of the day. All right. So the ceiling is 2,670.44. Okay, gold was trading the whole day between these two areas, which represent these amounts of pips, around 200 pips area. That was the area of trading today. We have our ceiling, we then have our floor. So now what we're gonna do is move down to the lower time, to a lower time frame. In this case, we're going back to 4 hours, okay, and see the price action in there. And then if we see the price action in gold today, it have been really interesting price action, because we see the move that gold has been doing, and this is basically the candle on 4 hours that we want to see, this one here. Okay, so the market started going to the upside. and then the market, what it did, it dropped and then go back up. And then before reaching the high, is going down right now, okay? So what we do in this case is we're gonna check confirmations for a buy in this area here. But before that, I'm gonna go to the 1 hour to check a little bit more in depth the move. And then we can establish basically what we call a zone, okay? So let's establish our zone. So we have the, remember, we have the ceiling and we have the floor, okay? 2,670.44, 2,650, okay? And then now that we will have that, the move that gold has been doing, it's been trading in consolidation today. So we're gonna have our zone to tackle, okay? Which is from the top area to the previous one that it couldn't get to the top side or take the ceiling in this case. So the ceiling is still intact of today. So sometimes that means something, so that either the price is preparing to get further down, or we're gonna see that the price might reject again from this area down here. So we're gonna check confirmations if the price start getting to this area, okay? And we're gonna try to see if we find rejection, basically. That's what we're gonna try to do when the price get to this area. So just to make a change a little bit, so our floor is in blue and our ceiling is in orange, okay? So simple as that. So now that we have that, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna try to do some more refinement on the entry. So let's go to 30 minutes to see what we see, to see what we can do, what we can find. Okay, probably inside this area, we can draw another rectangle. And then we're gonna change the color. And this will be our 30 minutes inside the 1 hour area, okay? So this is our 30 minutes. Okay, now we probably have more idea or a stand idea of where to take an entry more accurately. If we want to even go more accurate, we go to 15 minutes. And then we will see that we have basically another block right here, and it's giving us, yeah, confirmation that we might get an entry once again on the orange area still, okay? So, but for now, tomorrow, guys, if you want to focus on buys, that is my main focus, and our main focus in Dorado FX and Master Calvin here, as you know. And this is the setup that I'm thinking. So if you want to enter, so we're gonna go and choose this tool, which long position, and we're gonna try to enter right here, okay? So we're gonna try to see if we get a retest in this area. Okay, and this will be the setup. Targeting the high. So this will be our main target. So this one, if we go into the tool, we will see the risk to reward ratio, which is 2.66, okay? So meaning, in simple words, if you get an entry here and you win, you're gonna win 160 points or 60 pips, however you wanna call it. If you lose, you're gonna lose 62, okay? Simple as that. This is the buy idea that I'm thinking it can play out tomorrow. but we need to check. So it's simple. If the price gets to 2,655, 2,655 to 2,649, what we're gonna do? We are going to start looking for buys, okay? And then if the price reaches that area, we're gonna start looking for buys. And then we get confirmations, okay, to enter the trade. All right. And the buy idea is entry at 2,654.05, which with an SL of 2,647.90. Okay, so that is basically an SL. But what I'm saying, remember to you guys, is to check confirmation on this area, 2,655, 2,649. That's basically for tomorrow. If we have the market going up, we're gonna see Asia how it behave. But remember, if you want entries, you can always join our signal group. But this is the idea at the moment. This is a clean chart that I'm presenting to you guys, so you understand a little bit how we find our entry. Remember that the market is in a consolidation area. A breakout of this area will confirm, but I'm gonna do that in depth. So this is the simple idea for a buy. Okay, it's a buy idea. It's a nice setup. If you find confirmation, just go for it. But remember to use proper risk management. That's my advice. Okay, remember that. That's the key for this proper risk management. If you don't know what it is, let us know so we can help you finding out what's proper risk management. Okay, now we're going to the recap. Okay, so we're going first to ACAP. That's the one that we've been using for the last, but this time we're going in 4 hours, because remember that we gave our entries, and let's see what happened in the market. So far is still bullish, as you guys know, and we have a lot of trades. There was a trade taken from 51 that I recommended yesterday. Remember, 2,651, and the price bounced very nicely without hitting our sales, which is was 2,657, and it gave really nice pips. And remember, if you see the mapping, that we basically anticipated the price going up and then coming back down and then going up again. So that's really what happened. And we also says about the other buy areas that you guys can think of and target. Okay, so don't forget, this is also daily areas that you can check for buy confirmations. Sorry about all the lines and everything, but you know it's a trading thing, so we need to drop. To be able to find ideas. So, but the first buy area mainly will be 2,590, 2,582. We go a second buy area 2,558, 2,547. But as I gave before, the trade idea at the beginning. So that is also an entry for us tomorrow. Okay. So we at the moment we're still in a bullish market, and I'm gonna just find another chart, and then we can talk a little bit about some regression trend and some of the things that we can identify. Okay, on this one, remember that yesterday we talked about weekly zones and everything, and you remember that I mentioned it on the weekly that we are in a big, massive uptrend, and that we have a breakout to the upside. But now that definitely we might go to 2,700 before dropping, but uh, the standard TP is 3,000. So let's observe what the market do. But for now, we can see that the market is staying below the regression trend area. So let's see what's going to happen. If we have a breakout of 2,700, we definitely gonna go up like crazy. Okay, for now, let's see if we can enter a nice buy tomorrow from 2,654 area, as we suggested at the beginning of the video. For now, that's it, guys. No much to say. You know, tomorrow is Thursday. We have big news as well. It's something that you need to take into account for tomorrow. Going to Forex Factory right now. We have tomorrow final GDP QQ. We have unemployment claims. We have a lot of yellow folders as well. We have again factor powers as picks. You know, powers always bring the price out, but and we have all the war things going around. So it's a lot of things that can happen and change the behavior of the market. We need to be aware of all of that. But what is this is telling me right now, if we see the daily closing, we see that the price is refusing to go down, and the sellers are not taking control yet. So we're gonna see tomorrow if Asia go again and take this high here, the today's high, remember 2000, which is the all-time high at the moment. All right, we see Asia taking the 2,617.39. Then we're gonna see something like this. Let's have a look. We might see something like this as well, guys. So this is what I want to see. This is daily, remember, this is analysis on daily right now. So, but if we see this, the Asia take the high again and go at least to 80, and then if the price will retrace, and then we're gonna have an opportunity to buy again in 2,660. That is what I believe. So that will be a buy zone going all the way to the rally to 2,300. This is what I'm expecting more or less. Okay, but remember that is not only in one day, guys. This is basically for the next months, or as gold doesn't move in a straight line. But if we manage to break this price here, 2,700, that will be our clear indication of going up. Okay, so we need to wait for that break, and then we can basically say that gold is gonna go up, the breaking here, and then we have the zone here. This will be the buy zone that I'm thinking about. Okay, if we do some refinement in 4 hours, we're gonna find out that it's a really nice zone to buy, including if it doesn't take this low here, 2,649, that will be more confirmation for us to buy like crazy. That's what the thing I'm gonna say. So let's wait. Let's be patient tomorrow. We have news, and don't rush into entries, guys. Just check for confirmations, and that's it. All right, guys, take it easy, and see you in the next forecast. Sorry, I forgot something before I go. I almost go. I don't know what happened to me today. I'm a little bit tired, I must say, guys. One moment. One moment. I need to go back to my chart because we haven't spoke about US30. And as I say again, I was expecting the price to move down, and it created a new all-time high again, and it went down. So now we are in this zone here that we can start looking for buys confirmations. Okay, so this is the area, this whole purpose area, we're going to start looking for confirmation. 41,898, 41,722 is looking for buys. Let's take this to the next level, guys. Okay, guys, that's all for me, Master Cubby here, El Dorado FX. Take it easy and see you next time. Take care. Bye.